So I have 38% of engine oil life left. I'm dropping at 10,251 miles.
They have to check the seam seals on both sides.
63,000, but it has these orange belts. So this is how the engine bay look. Because I'm going for my second service today. Remember the last time I said I would get squeaking sounds from the rear? They said there was some plastic here, they removed it and they charged me around $100 for it. But even now I get those squeaking sounds if this is up. So what I do is always keep this down. The rear right seat is always down. If I put it back up, while driving it starts making sound. I need to figure out what is the problem. I'm going to ask them today. Okay, let me show you guys how much engine oil life is left. Let's go to settings, vehicle, scroll down and you should find engine oil life. So I have 38% of engine oil life left. I have 10,000 miles on the odo. So I'm getting my second service done. So Ford says your car is intelligent. Whenever it's time for oil change, it will ask you to do it because of this oil life. But I don't wait for this. I make sure I get it done every 5,000 miles. The things I'm fixing this time is probably the recall issue. They said they would fix the recall. It's a sealant they're going to fill. So engine oil change, the second service is going to be done, and the seat noise. They charged me around $100 last time. Paid it. It did not get fixed. I'm going to ask them again what they'll do. So I'm dropping at 10,251 miles. Let's see how it goes.
They have to remove this plastic mold. They have to check the seam seals on both sides.
Got it.
So it's back there.
So it's back there. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a 5.0. 63,000. 401A. This is the package you always need. Active valve exhaust. Night pony, yes. The black. Mini spare wheel. I don't have this. This is the same thing, but it has these orange belts, almost grey seats. Mine are all black. Grey pads, grey stitching. You have Mustang mats. I do not have mats. This active valve exhaust is a must, guys. If you guys are buying it, just make sure you have that. My car has these Mustang lights here, but it's interesting to see these orange belts. Mats costed $200 extra. Seat belts, orange, it is $500. That sounds like my car. Okay, it's here. Okay, the car is here. All service done. I have this wing. See? When compared to that. Let's check the vehicle oil life settings. Oil life is 100%. So after the service it changed to 100%. My second service is at 10,254 miles. So I paid around $75 for my second service. So the BCM, they had to cover it with some silicone. That was a recall that was done under warranty. Then the service costed me around $80. Then there was some squeaking sound coming from the rear. Near that seat, they said they put some silicone spray. So I need to check that. So they put that under warranty for this time. Extra oil, because my car needs extra oil. They charged me $4 for that. And I got a $20 coupon from Shanghai Mission Ford. Overall, $10 labor, parts and oil, $70. Shop supplies, $1.5. Overall discount, $20. $75 is what I paid. I'll just show you where silicone was placed for the recall. This is how the engine bay looks. So according to them, the sealant for the recall is under this. Let's go for a proper wash tomorrow. So that's it about the second service update. I'll see you guys in the next one.